Bullish swipe cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 90 cents and $1.98 by 2030. Market experts accept SXP could reach 90 cents by 2025. Bearish swipe market cost expectation for 2022 is 16 cents. Swipe presentation. The cryptographic money market has become very serious yet has developed hugely as additional foundations embrace the utilization of computerized monetary forms in their everyday business and speculation. SXP has serious areas of strength for. However, it is viewed as an unstable resource by numerous financial backers as they move most of their possessions to a more steady money. In any case, SXP means to be a completely decentralized resource after its procurement by Binance, which ends up being a promising improvement for the convention. In any case, in this piece, we assess the conceivable outcomes of Swipe recapturing its forward movement before long by investigating the center essentials of the venture, ongoing turns of events, specialized cost examination, and an intricate perspective on SXP cost estimates from cryptographic money specialists. What is Swipe? Swipe or Sunlight-based organization is a local area-driven decentralized stage to make a biological system where organizations or people can create charge cards upheld by digital money and cultivate a simple installment experience. Swipe is work to go about as a scaffold between installment organizations and crypto trades. They plan to empower genuine administration inside the organization with solid local area interest and use the designated verification of stake agreement instrument to keep a proficient and powerful blockchain convention with a great many highlights. This made the convention special and not the same as the other blockchains ventures as it keeps turning on present-day innovation. The Swipe network awards clients an exceptionally solid system to get to near 150 digital currencies and north of 70 million locales as a vehicle of exchange and installment. The local badge of the convention. The SXP token is a flexible coin that serves many capabilities inside the organization like administration and marking rewards, multi-chain exchanges, on-chain and off-chain installments, and so forth. The symbolic aids in taking care of handling and exchange charges, a method for deciding on the convention for updates and administration, openness to the Ethereum and Binance Savvy chain, and is likewise valuable in card issue expenses. One of the remarkable highlights of Swipe is the interesting programming interface and lock include that permits the client to report a taken or lost card, which is gone to quickly work the client gains another card. Sun-oriented organization was obtained by Binance in 2020 and stretched out its element to help the change of NFTs, computerized resources, and digital currencies to fiat at a state-of-the-art transformation rate. Swipe crucial examination. Sun-oriented organization was established in 2018 by Joselito Lizarrando, going about as the president, and Naam Willems, who is as of now the main specialized official. The establishing group is very much knowledgeable about the improvement of blockchain innovation, business venture in the monetary area, and the development of a functioning local area, which they applied in forming Swipe into a top-notch specialized item. In November 2020, Start, a stage that upholds the course of beginning wallet offering utilized for financing new undertakings, was sent off by Swipe to draw in the making of new pursuits while giving liquidity and client admittance to the main group. They went further to obtain Spend.com in WAC 2021. Spend.com is an installment foundation that uses cryptographic money for its installments, and this joint effort was to extend the mix of digital currency and the conventional money area. Nonetheless, Joselito Lizarrando surrendered in December 2020, around 5 months after the obtaining by Binance, and the convention got rebranded to Sun-oriented organization. Adaptability. SXP is a utility symbolic that was worked to be the fuel force of the Swipe organization, a DeFi stage that empowers digital money monetary resources supported by SXP. Swipe gives a large number of items and administrations to its clients with the multi-resource DeFi application that permits them to change over digital forms of money and fiat. Swipe current cost. Swipe is right now worth 20 cents USD. SXP has moved 0.46% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,271,089. Swipe is presently positioned 158 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $102,711,132 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Swipe to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Swipe Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Swipe SXP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SXP will before long outperform 50 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the SXP's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SXP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 40 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 44 cents. Swipe value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 70 cents and SXP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SXP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 64 cents and a low of 60 cents in 2024. Swipe value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Swipe effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the SXP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SXP will be green in 2025. The SXP is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 90 cents, with a base cost of 80 cents and a typical cost of 84 cents. Swipe value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SXP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.05 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.01 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SXP has a most extreme value worth of $1.11. Swipe value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.25. In the event that SXP figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $1.31. Neglecting to accumulate the help SXP needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.21. Swipe value expectation 2028. While SXP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $1.41 and a yearly cost close above $1.51 in 2028. Swipe value forecast 2029. By 2029, Swipe will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.61 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.71, averaging out at $1.65. Swipe value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest SXP cost in 2030 is projected to be $1.98 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.90. And, starting from the production of Swipe, it has been endorsed by numerous ventures due to its flexible utility, and the designers keep elevating the money to construct a wide organization in the computerized universe of installment. Be that as it may,